Hi everyone, I'm Kerstin and I'm excited to be with you today. Christmas is only a few days away and who needs some quick and easy ideas for a gift? Today we are making a 5x7 mini legal pad folder and a quick Christmas card to include with your gift. The mini legal pads can be found in any office supply store or they can be ordered from Amazon. I'll also show you how to make an easy gift card holder and a cute snowman Christmas card. In your card kit, I have added the measurements for the mini legal pad folder covers, so be sure to hold on to these measurements so you can make those cute legal pads folders in the future. They're easy and fast to make, so let's get started. Okay, to make this cute mini folder, we take 2 pieces of cardstock. The measurement of the cardstock for the first one is 5/7/8 by 11. You score the short sides right here at 5.5 and the long side at 2 3/4, which I have already prepared mine. The measurements are in your kits in case you want to make this cute folder in the future. The second cardstock measures 8 inches by 11. You score the short sides at 3/8 of an inch, 5/7/8 of an inch, and 6.5 of an inch. And the long side again, right here, at 2 3/4. Once you've done all of the scoring on both of your cardstock, make sure that you fold all of your scores and make sure that you use your library card or a bone folder to make some very nice creases. And just to show you this little piece right here, those will make your pockets. Again, I'm showing you this one. This is the 8 by 11 one. Nicely score your folds so they are nice and crisp. Once you've done all of your scoring folds, all the line, burnish your lines so that they are nice and crisp. You can use double-sided tape or glue. In my experience, double-sided tape works best. Burnish the tape so it stays nice and sticky. Line up, remove your double-sided tape right here, the top layer of it. Line up both pieces very carefully so they are nicely on top. And glue them together. Use your bone folder or use your library card and give it another nice crisp stroke. So now we have both pieces together. Next, use a pair of scissors. And right there, this piece right here, we do not need. So I have already made an X on it. I'm just going to show you this right there. We don't need this part, so you just cut it away. Because we don't need it. Next, make sure either use glue or double-sided tape, which one doesn't really matter, and apply glue right here, right here, and right here. And just simply glue this part together. Again, use your bone folder, library card, whatever, bank card, whatever you have to really push down on your glue so it's nice and sticky. And also kind of squeeze it off to the side to make it nice and level. And that's pretty much almost all what you need to do for your mini legal pad holder. So let's start with decorating it. In your kit, you have this beautiful double-sided pattern paper. You just go ahead and glue that on. Top of your front. Another piece to the back. We want to make sure it's nicely the right side up. Perfectly. And you can see right here too, like we have nicely put it together, how nice and crisp and clean this part looks. Turn your folder over and let's decorate this little flap piece right here. You can use glue, double-sided tape, whatever you are comfortable with. Glue this part right here so we can hide all that. And when you open it up, you use your mini legal pad. And I have also decorated the top of that little pad. And you just kind of stick it in your pocket. And fold it. To close this, I have simply used Velcro. And I made sure I stuck one piece right here, just like in the middle. Just make sure it closes nicely. I like to put the other part on top of it, so I am, and just kind of, and there is your mini legal pad folder. Open it up. And close it back down. And to add to our little mini card folder, I thought I am making a cute, simple greeting card. I used white cardstock for my base card. Simply just went ahead and took another layer of like pattern paper and another layer of dark blue cardstock, adhered it to my base card. And my message piece, I just went and used some dimensionals. And this one says Merry Christmas. And all I'm doing is just put a few pieces of dimensionals on my card. And I adhere this to the middle of my finished piece right there. And it says Merry Christmas. And this one is the one I decide to go ahead and stick into my mini legal pad folder to give somebody as a gift. Our next project is another gift idea. We are making a gift card holder. For this, you need a piece of cardstock measuring 4 1/4 inches by 6 1/2. And I have already prepared my cardstock piece. You score this at 1 1/4 inch and again at 4 1/4. Fold onto your score lines with your library card or bone folder. Make nice creases. Use some double-sided tape to make sure that the gift card is actually stays inside this gift holder. And just flip this part over and close it. Give it a little tug right here. And this way your gift card sits nicely inside this little piece. I also thought I'd nicely decorate this. So I have a little piece right here. And this one says to and from. We want to make sure we mention that. And I am gluing this to the inside of this flap right here. Then also we want to go ahead and decorate the front of our gift card holder. And I have some nice pattern paper, which I am gluing right on front of my gift card holder. Next, I made myself a little belly band. And you can use either Velcro or you can just go ahead and use little dimensional. It's up to you. Or you just use a little piece of cardstock, which measures, this one measures 1 inch by 6.5. And I didn't score this, so all I'm doing right now is simply just gently fold it over to make a cute little belly band. I'm also again using a little bit of double-sided tape, which makes things stick a little bit easier. And just stick it together. I also have a piece of a sentiment piece, which I am gluing right down on top of my belly band, and it says, "Love and light to you." If you don't choose to have a belly band, you can go ahead and put this message piece right on top of your pattern paper. And that concludes your gift card holder. Let me show you right here. You take the belly band off. And there's your gift card. It says to and from. Close it back up. Which makes a cute little gift card holder. Super easy to make. To go along with my gift card holder, I made another greeting card. And this greeting card measures 4¼ by 11. And I have already prepared mine. So you see there's kind of like a little piece cut off. So you would have a 4¼ by 11 cardstock piece. You fold that at 2 3/4. And then you cut the rest simply off. And the rest would look like just like this. So you need to hold on to this. It's also in landscape. So we're going to set this cut-off piece just simply off to the side. So at first, what is very necessary for this card is that we decorate the inside first. So the inside has this cute little pattern paper on it, and it says, "Hoping the season builds heartwarming memories." And we're going to adhere this to the inside of our card. And then we're going to set this one real quick off to the side, and we'll take our leftover piece we have done. So we are going to use our sentiment, which is right here. I have made like little Christmas tree, Christmas snowman, and says season greetings, and we glue this one right on top of this little piece. And you can just leave it black or white, or you can color it. That is simply up to you. Let's put this off to the side and bring back our card. And next, we want to decorate this piece. So we have some pattern paper, which I'm putting some glue on it. And we're going to put this one on top of here to decorate this part. And then we have still our sentiment piece left. So this one right here, we're going to adhere some glue right off to the side. And just simply glue it right on top. And that concludes our Christmas card to go along with our Christmas gift card holder. Thank you for watching and supporting Card Shop at Argenta. We'll be taking a short break as we enter the new year, but if you're looking for crafts to do in the meantime, come visit us at the library and find all of our wonderful crafting tools located in our maker space. Also, check out our YouTube and Facebook pages for more of our other videos. Have a great day. Enjoy!